How many races all ago? It look pretty? Alright, big up.
Big up yourself. Alright.
I'm here to enjoy. I'm not scared.
I only did this for the fun.
They're not even a camp, they're a campus. Mr. Morris are the same.
876 Streets, that's what we're doing. Live, do it.
Big up 876 Streets every time.
Well, Ian, you have fans all about.
Why, I tell you.
Alright, I want people to see the car in the background here. So, alright. Now, I realize it's the first, I'm seeing this new race car,
yes.
You know, new development. How's the day going for you so far? And tell me a little bit about this project.
Well, the day has been a few challenges here and there because this is our first time out with this project.
Right.
We knew there are going to be a few gremlins. We managed to overcome them, and we missed the first race, the first MP3 race. So we decided that we had to go for the second one. And we were out there doing our thing, was pretty good, but then we brought the shifter going into the third lap, and the car was stuck in second speed. We ran the entire race in second.
Okay.
In amount, trying to amass some points.
Some points. Well, will you be going back out for the rest of the day?
Yes, most definitely.
All right.
Right, touch racing is about determination. We don't ever give up.
All right, tell me a little bit about the setup. I realize a K series inside.
Yes. Power will come.
Okay.
You know.
Well, as I mentioned, power, you know, I don't know. I mean, a little birdie, I tell me, say. So the letter, the engine change and all them something. I don't know.
Wait, so I'm trying it.
Yeah, you see.
Trying the clan?
Yeah. Talk to me.
Oh, boy. Yeah. Well, we diverted a bit.
Yes.
From the Toyota.
Yeah.
Went to the K20. Looking because a cheaper platform in terms of parts and accessibility.
Right.
And we're still looking to get, reliability out of it. Contrary to the naysayers.
Right.
We changed the chassis because we have a two-frame chassis now.
Right.
It's stiffer, it's lighter, it's a better handling chassis than the Corolla that we had before.
Right.
And we decided that we should put that recipe together for a better and more competitive race car.
I am quite intrigued. What do you call? What did you model this chassis off of?
The front
is that Camaro?
The back has one of those Fire Pontiac Camaro type. We bought it with it like that.
Okay.
But that's at the end of the day, we're going to be running something else. We're not going to run that. But
so
the back of the car, I love the front, but I don't really. The back, I'm gonna.
You're gonna change it.
I'm gonna change it.
All right.
It's like more appeal for myself,
All right. Ian, much respect.
Yes, man.
All the best with the next race.
Yes. We appreciate the time.
Every time. Big up.
Yourself.
Big up.
876
All right, bro.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.